Ready to turn your React app into a lean, mean, payment collecting machine. First, create a new React application using Create a React app, or use an existing project. Once that's set, install the Stripe Haze library and the Stripe React library into your project using npm or yarn to handle the front-end Stripe interactions. Now, head over to your Stripe dashboard and grab your publishable key. This is safe to expose in your React app and is used to identify your account. To Stripe, remember to keep your secret key safe. Then, wrap your payment form component with the elements provider from the Stripe React library, passing in your publishable key in the Stripe prop. This sets up the Stripe context for your form. In your payment form component, use the CardElement component provided by Stripe. This component securely handles a card details input, relieving you from handling sensitive information directly. Use the useStripe and useElements hooks to get access to the Stripe object and elements instance. These hooks let you create a payment method using the card details entered into the CardElement. Next, create an asynchronous function to handle the payment submission. Use the Stripe object to create a payment method, and then send this payment method to your server to complete the payment processing. On your server, use your Stripe secret key to confirm the payment intent and complete the transaction. Always handle payments on the server to ensure security and prevent fraud. And voila, you've successfully integrated Stripe into your React app. You can now securely process credit card payments directly within your application. Don't forget to test thoroughly with Stripe's test environment before going live.